Welcome to Scrape Genius, how to use Company Contact Scraper. First, scroll down the sidebar and click on the Corporate Registries section, then navigate to the Company Scraper. Look for the company name field. Here, you can enter multiple company names separated by commas. After that, you can also select states and cities, which are optional. But we recommend using the city name to get accurate results. Now click the Add button. After adding, you can check your added list in the Queries section. Now simply click the Start button to begin the process. Now let's see how to upload company names in bulk. To do this, simply click on Bulk Company. Here, you can upload CSV, XLS, and XLSX file formats. But before uploading the file, click on File Data Format and ensure your file data format matches the same as our dummy data. Now simply click on Choose File and select your file. When you choose the file, your file data will show in the queries list. Here you can see a query showing NA instead of a city name because of the empty city name field in your CSV file. Now click Start. Once the process is done, you will see the extracted results in the table list below. You can easily download it or export the results to Google Drive. Thank you for watching.